this video, I'm going to walk you through what workspaces are in Slingshot. So in this example, you can see marketing, product development, ABM, and sales are all workspaces inside of this example. If I come to marketing, you can see that each workspace will have a high-level overview of really important information about that workspace. You'll be able to see all of your different projects and then a status and a high-level view of them. You can have workspace level tasks. You can have workspace level conversations, so anybody on this workspace has access to these discussions to collaborate around. You can have pins where you can store really important URLs and content that you need for your team to have access to. And then you can also have real-time dashboards that will connect into a number of your different data sources, such as GA4, Excel, Salesforce, HubSpot, your databases, you name it. As an owner of a workspace, you have the ability to decide which tabs within here you want to use or turn off as well. So maybe you don't want workspace level tasks and discussions. You can do things like hide those tabs from within here so that you're just keeping really important information for people. So depending on your particular use case or process, you can show and hide certain things.